morning. I'm just out here with Dave. We're just out on the Thunder Bay Harbor. Just gonna cruise around a little bit. The wind is supposed to die down. Right now there's a breeze. Not much in the way of waves inside the harbor, but might be out further. Just gonna do a little cruise over here. It's supposed to be 1920s when they finished the break wall. They had a little train and they laid tracks on top of the ice, and when they were finished the break wall, apparently they just pushed this little train over onto the ice or in the water or whatever, and it's supposed to be sitting out here somewhere. Someone said, you know, this is one of those chasing rumors again. We're always chasing rumors. But someone said, oh yeah, it's there. The shipyard sent a diver down and he got a whistle or something off of this thing, and so who knows. It's really hard to find anything. It's not a big train. It's just a small work engine kind of thing, boiler and a little house, and so I'm gonna take a quick look for that. We got lots of debris, mostly clay, some other junk. Nothing that seems to stand out. This thing could be buried too. All the silt that's come out of the river, and who knows. Something with a bit of a shadow there. We can zoom into that. Yeah, see, something like that, really hard to tell. Could be, couldn't be, I don't know. Been cruising around here for quite a while. Haven't seen anything that would scream locomotive, small locomotive. Could be buried in the mud after that long a time, I don't know. A rock. Okay, what are we looking at here? A rock and a tree, a pop can, and a tree. Oh, there's like a clay ledge here. That's probably what the hell we're
looking at.
Looking at, yeah.
Sticking up like an outcrop.
Yep. Hey.
Oh wow.
Another log. Yeah, there's. Oh, I mean, it might be that log pile again. I think I came back to the log pile. Yep.
That's what it is?
Yeah, it's all a pile of logs. And a big rock. Yep.
Now it's straight under the border.
Yeah. Yeah, that's probably where the pile of rocks is, or logs, I mean. Okay, now what is that? That's a cable.
Oh yeah?
There's a cable with a wire attached to it, like a big cable, electrical wire.
Can you see both ends?
Nope.
Might want to follow it.
Yeah, it disappears under the bottom now.
Huh. Like a big lifting wire?